Introducing the Gravitron V2 FPV Racer by Drone Pros. The Gravitron V2 has evolved from our first generation Gravitron to be the best racer and most easy to fly racer out there. The Gravitron is the only 100% ready to fly racer that gives you everything you need in one convenient, great looking aluminum carrying case. Never before has getting into the popular growing sport of FPV racing been so easy. We have taken out all the hard work and made it simple. Each and every Gravitron will be test flown and programmed to have the smoothest settings so you can be sure flying it will be a breeze. Even if you've never flown a drone before, you won't have any problem flying the Gravitron. Each unit will come with a lifetime warranty on the 6mm carbon fiber arms, so you can be sure that the unit will hold up to even the hardest crashes. Even if you're not into FPV racing, the Gravitron is a great sport flying drone that can be a ton of fun. Able to carry a Gopro 4, it delivers the smoothest footage with the provided dampening plate to take out any jello in the footage. Whether you are out on vacation or just at a local park, you can pop out your Gravitron and capture memories when not racing. For those looking to get into FPV, the Gravitron makes a great platform since it is very durable. At the end of the day, whether we like it or not, these units will be crashing a lot. Last thing you want to be worrying about is your frame breaking and the fun day coming in it. With the 6mm carbon fiber arms, the Gravitron is nearly indestructible, and we back it with a lifetime warranty. The carbon fiber frame has been designed to take crash after crash after crash. With the provided 5-inch monitor and FPV camera, you are able to see what the unit sees in live time. Never before has sitting in the pilot seat been so easy. The flight controller comes with the default flight mode to be self-leveling, so when you let go of the right stick, the unit will automatically self-level. With Christmas around the corner, there hasn't been a better time to get yourself or someone you love into the great sport of FPV. With all the progress we're making, it is safe to say that we will start shipping out all orders early December. With your help, we can place large orders to drive component costs down. This will keep the Gravitron at a much more affordable price. Get your hands on the best FPV racer out in the market today and help us bring the Gravitron V2 out to the market. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for future updates.